How to make my cheese and chives sourdough biscuits.
The ingredients are all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, butter, cheddar cheese, I'm using Colby Jack, but any cheddar will be great, dried chives, and 1 cup of potato sourdough starter, or any sourdough starter as long as it's 50-50 flour liquid. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees.
In a large bowl, whisk dry ingredients, flour, salt, and baking powder. Cut in cold, cubed 1/4 cup of butter, which is also a half stick, until mixture is grainy. Stir in remaining dry ingredients, chives, and shredded cheese. Pour in sourdough starter discard, mix until a soft dough forms, and add milk if it's too dry. Dough comes together just right. No need for additional liquid. Knead lightly on a floured surface until dough is smooth. Or roll out dough to about a 1/2 inch thickness. Cut out biscuit rounds. Use about a 2.5 inch biscuit cutter, or cookie cutter, or drinking glass, or anything round. Place biscuits about 1 inch apart on an ungreased or lined baking sheet. Gather up the remaining dough, pat it out, and cut out the rest of the biscuits. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 14 minutes or until the biscuits are golden brown. Biscuits are done after 14 minutes.